Now, Matcha Mania is sweeping the globe.
This bright green tea is taking TikTok by storm, and its soaring popularity has even caused worldwide shortages. So we wanted to find out more about everyone's favourite drink.
And Elaine Fitzsimons, owner of the Matcha Bar, is here to show us how to make a perfect cup of the world's favourite green tea. You're very welcome, Elaine. How are you keeping?
I'm very well, thank you. How are
you opened one of Ireland's first dedicated matcha bars. You saw this trending globally and you thought, you know what, I'm going to get involved in the action. But what exactly is a matcha?
Yeah, so matcha is essentially finely ground powder green tea from Japan, and it's really well known for its vibrant colour. It gives like a smooth energy, and it's packed with antioxidants as well.
I love how you're calling it a matcha. It's just matcha.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's like Weetabix or Weetabix. Okay, is that the thing?
Something like that.
Okay.
But you mentioned green tea there. How does this differ, though, to green tea?
Yeah, so with green tea, you're like steeping the leaves and then discarding them. So you're kind of taking in an infused kind of version of the water. Whereas with matcha, it's the whole green tea leaf ground down into a powder, and you're getting all of the benefits because you're consuming the whole leaf.
Okay, I have a confession to make.
Oh.
I've never actually had a matcha.
Well,
like today's your lucky
no
day. You're
time,
going to have
like
about
live
4.
television.
Listen, it's huge online. I mean, every time I open my phone, I see them. Is it trendy or are they actually very tasty?
Well, they're tasty, but it definitely has picked up over the last year or two. I think it's quite an aesthetic-looking drink.
It is. It looks delicious.
You know, people like to take photos of their food nowadays, and I think it's all it lends itself nicely to that kind of culture.
I think so.
Yeah.
Now, I've heard some of my friends saying, like, oh, I don't have a coffee in the morning anymore. I have a matcha. Mm-hmm. So is there no caffeine in this, or what's the story with it?
No, there is caffeine in it. So it can be the same as coffee, depending on how much matcha you put in, obviously. But the difference with coffee and matcha is that it has a slower release of caffeine. So it has a compound called L-theanine in it, which slows down the release of caffeine over 4 to 6 hours. Versus coffee, a lot of people, we find when they come into the Matcha Bar in Paris Court, they ask us, like, they're trying to come off coffee because they feel jittery and anxious, and it kind of hits them right away. Mm-hmm. So matcha is often the answer to that.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
I think we should try and make some, Eric.
Let's get our hands dirty.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So who's making?
I don't. I've already been in the kitchen today. Do you know what I mean?
Okay. So what you're going to do, so this is your bowl. Mm-hmm. You also use a bamboo whisk because this suspends the matcha. You can't just use like a regular whisk because it won't.
Eric is wrecking the gaff already. Can bring him nowhere. Right,
that's okay. I didn't break it.
It won't break down the clump. So what you're going to do is this is the matcha powder. You can see it's really nice and green. You're going to put 3 of these spoons into your bowl.
Okay, this is a fun little spoon. Look at that.
Yeah, now like level
Now,
spoons.
do we want level spoons? Okay.
Yeah, come on now.
Yeah.
How's that looking there now?
Perfect, yeah.
1.
So if I didn't have one of these fancy spoons at the house now, what would I use? Just a teaspoon?
You could weigh it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 little spoons of matcha.
Perfect. Okay, now you're going to put in, so there's some water here. So if you just put like do you know what? Just put like a little bit in.
Just a little bit?
I'll tell you when to stop, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
I would say that's about a tablespoon.
Do the same.
It's literally a drop, okay? Go first, yeah.
And now you're going to make it into a little paste.
Okay, so that's just cold. That's just cold water.
Yeah, that's just kind of room temperature water. And then with this, you're using your whisk.
This device. Look at this.
Yeah.
Do we do like a figure of 8? You're just mashing?
No, just for this part, you're just going to mix it. So you're really just trying to smooth out the clumps. And what this does, it activates the L-theanine in it, and it's bringing out the sweetness. So if you smell it, you might get like some of the aroma of it.
It smells really good, I have to say.
Yeah.
It does smell quite tea-like.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's tea.
It's tea.
Yeah.
There you go.
Don't know why I'm shocked by that. It is tea.
Yeah, people do say that. They're like, it smells like tea. And I'm like, yeah, it is tea.
Okay,
so next part, you're going to get the kettle.
Okay, and this is one of the most gorgeous kettles I've ever seen, by the way.
Yeah, so this is a temperature control kettle. So you can't put boiling water on matcha because it will scorch the powder and it will make it really bitter.
Okay.
So this kettle, the water has been boiled to 70 degrees.
Look at that.
He's a little teapot. He is a little teapot. Okay, so how much of that is he putting in?
Okay, so I'll tell you when.
Okay.
Again, a little dribble. That's loads.
Oh, I'd say a tablespoon again, is it?
Okay, do you mind there, Eric?
Absolutely.
Same into mine.
Perfect.
Okay.
Put too much in hers because I want mine to be nicer.
You can put your kettle down.
Okay.
Sabotaging me. Okay, what do we do next?
So now you're going to whisk. I'm just going to demonstrate how you whisk.
Yeah. So because he wasn't very good, was he?
So you're essentially just going to like loosen your wrist front and back.
Okay.
To kind of get like that and hold your bowl in case it falls over. But the goal here is to make a nice little foam at the top. Mm-hmm. I'll let you go.
Okay, I think I've got it.
It's on the wrist, Eric. It's on the wrist.
Look at that. There we go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
It's almost getting competitive here in the studio.
Almost.
Okay, super.
That's a nice foam there now, I
There
think.
you go. That looks great. Yeah.
Okay.
Looks really well. So if you just put your whisk like this.
Oh.
He
All
is such
it's
a
all
messer.
right.
Can bring him
Keep making
nowhere,
mistakes.
guys.
That's why we're here.
Okay.
Okay,
And,
now-
and that's it?
That's it. Your matcha is made.
Okay.
So for you guys, we're gonna make some matcha lattes. So I'm gonna put ice
Lovely.
in your cup for you.
It's
Okay.
the weather for it.
Yeah.
It is the weather for it. Yeah.
Okay,
So
fabulous.
we have oat milk or coconut milk.
I will go oat milk. That's
Yeah.
my poison.
So if you put yours up to that line there. and
Okay.
then
Oh,
for
jeepers, up to the
yourself
very
the
top there.
same. Maybe you'd like a coconut one?
Let's try it. Yeah,
Why not?
let's try it.
Yeah. There you
Okay.
go. So again,
you very much.
pour your milk just to the line,
Okay, right up to here.
to this line here.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
And then would you like some honey in yours?
I would like some honey in
recommend.
mine.
Yeah.
Okay, so is this
if you
stuff-
do like 1.5 pumps of honey.
1, 2, a half.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Do you want some honey, Eric?
Honey. Yes, please.
There
Thank you very much.
There we go. Okay.
Lovely. Give that a stir.
And then, no, the matcha will. Well, you'll
Okay.
mix it with your straw now in a second. So
Okay, and then we go
get your
matcha?
straw. And then you go matcha, yeah.
So we have
straight
4
in.
matcha in. All right.
Lovely.
There you go.
This is going to be nice,
Do you
guys.
do like a little fancy pour to get one of these nice designs?
You can do a fancy pour, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, careful, you're on camera now, Eric. Everyone's watching you.
If you put it on
Okay.
the ice, it'll give it a nice layer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh.
Oh,
Isn't that stunning?
wow.
Is it meant to all just
Yeah.
go down nice
That
and slowly?
looks
Look.
stunning,
Isn't that lovely?
doesn't it?
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, let's
go.
now
Here's your
stick our
straws.
straw in and
Okay.
let's take a
And
little...
give it a good mix.
Do we give
Okay,
it a little
yeah.
stir?
Yeah, give it a good stir.
Okay.
Otherwise, you just get a lump of milk.
Lovely.
Yeah, okay.
This is a big
And then
day
we
for me,
also
guys.
have
My
our-
first ever matcha.
Okay, Eric,
Okay,
you go
sláinte.
first because it's your
Sláinte.
first time.
Sláinte.
Sláinte.
It's wonderful.
Hey!
It's lovely.
What's
I see the hype.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the taste that
This
you
is
get?
so good. I
It's-
love
Yeah.
them. They're so fresh. And so what are these
Yeah, these
ones?
are flavoured. So let's
ones.
try some of those. So
Oh, absolutely.
This has been sitting here for a minute, but that's a rose flavoured matcha.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Yeah, and that's
Eric,
mango.
Do you want to try the mango?
Give me the mango.
The
yes,
Irish
absolutely.
flag.
Thank you very much. Look
Okay.
at that.
Oh, the Irish
very
flag. Accidentally Ireland right
very
there.
patriotic.
Tag them.
Oh, give that a mix.
I
yeah.
didn't mix
Yeah.
it first.
That's
Just
very...
got a mouthful of mango
Rosy.
there.
Yeah, very rosy.
If you don't like floral, that probably wouldn't
Yeah,
be for
kind of,
you. So
it's
maybe
quite floral.
the maple vanilla, the blue vanilla one is.
Okay, one more.
Yeah, you
The
guys will be
flavours
buzzing
are
for the
absolute.
day.
The flavors must be endless. What's
Oh,
your
yeah,
What's your
it goes-
favorite?
My favorite is probably the blue vanilla. Yeah, the ones you just
Yeah.
tried.
From my noises, you can see it was my favourite as well. Elaine, thank you so much for coming in and teaching us how to make
thank you so
matcha.
much.
I think
Thank
you
you
can
very
be a
much.
convert right
Yeah,
here.
brilliant.
Now,
I'm
up
customer.
next, we are testing out easy science activities you can do right in your backyard with Phil Smith. We'll be right back. There he is.